It was fun.
The program is very exciting.
This will be important things to gain more knowledge how to present your lecture in English.
Education right now it's moving on to the borderless education, and we have to be prepared for that.
I've learned a lot of benefits. Not only how to speak in English very well, but also how to manage the class.
Everyone can learn from this course and everyone can enjoy it. And this 5-pack program is really fun. It's awesome.
This program has taught me how to deliver the content in English and how to be more interactive with students and how to engage students in the class. And I hope that I can apply all those what I have learned to my class and to the students.
I would strongly recommend that more and more ITS lecturers attend this. It's not a theoretical course at all. It is a very practical course, but it will require a lot of interaction and participation from all the participants. So I do look forward to meeting more and more ITS lecturers, and I hope that all departments in the future will be able to deliver international programs. So thank you very much for welcoming me to ITS.